All right, in this video, I'm just going to show some examples of how to use Creative Commons works. So let me show you. Remember that when we're using works from others, we start by finding our resources. We review the licenses, create attribution, and then add it to our work. So let me show you. Let's say I was going to Flickr and I want a picture of a bird. Okay. I'm going to come to any license and I want it to be just any Creative Commons license. And let's say I like this picture. So I'm going to go to this picture and I see here it says some rights reserved. So I'm going to click on that and see what it says. It has CC BY 2.0. Okay, so that means that if I'm going to use this picture, I've got to put in a copyright. So I'm going to go to this openwa.org/attribute builder, and I'm going to copy. So here's the name of it is called Birds, and this is the web address of it. So in here for title, I'm going to put Birds, and then I'm going to put that. And then for author name, it's John Wilson, and I can copy the link to his actual page. So John Wilson. And then I can copy here. And this actually doesn't have the 2.0, but that's okay. We know that it's CC BY. Okay, so then I'm going to click here and I'm going to copy this. And then let's just say that I'm going to create a new slide on here. And I add the caption here. And then I am free to use this image. So I can go back here. I can copy this image. Maybe I might have to download it, I'm not sure. Let's just download it small. And there you go. It's an attribution. Okay, it's taking a minute. All right, there we go. So then I can just put this in here and use it, right? And usually you want to put the license pretty close to the image so people know what it's referring to. So that's all I have to do for finding an image and putting in attribution. It's slightly easier sometimes if you go to Wikimedia Commons. And in Wikimedia, if I were to go, that's a cool picture. I want to use this. I can go to more details and they have this use this file on the web. And I can actually take this and I can copy this itself, or this actually would be a better attribution. And I can use this for the attribution instead of having to use the attribution builder. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do these steps of creating the attribution and adding it to my work. Now let's say that I did this, I had a whole bunch of different bird pictures, and then I want to make it so other people know they can use my work. Okay, so I noticed my only license is CC BY. If this was CC BY SA share alike, I would also have to use CC BY SA. Okay, so let's just pretend like it is. So all I need to do to add a Creative Commons is I'm going to just Creative Commons licenses, and I'm just going to go to images, and I'm going to find, I want CC BY share alike. I'm going to find my image here, and it's always good if you can get good enough quality for what you're doing so it's not blurry. I'm going to copy that image, and then I just add it to my slide. Okay, so now it's telling other people they can use this slide as long as they then give me credit. That's all there is to it. So on your own work, you check licenses for what you're using, choose your license, add attributions, and then create your own license and add it to your work.